Yo, guys, what is going on? What's going on? It is another day in the markets, Thursday, April 11, 2019. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. So, as you can see, SPY closed almost up a point. Not too much crazy action in the markets yesterday. Obviously, you had a few gaps, some runners, and obviously the upside and downside, as always, regardless of the market. But overall, nothing too crazy. I think the sectors, I think real estate closed top dog position. I think there was eight of the 11 sectors closing in the green. Um, so obviously the bulls were taking the lead yesterday. So today we're going into another session. We'll see what's going to happen. We had obviously SPY making its run up again to that 288, 289 level. See if it's going to try to close, Thursday, Friday, wrap up the week strong. We'll see how it's going to trade up today. So that being said, we got four going into the session. We got WVE. WVE obviously took a nice little cliff dive yesterday, traded downward all day long, just faded out for us. And nice all day fade, very low risk. All day getting stuffed out of VWAP multiple times and still trading low, closed low. And we like it maybe another point or so to the downside. So obviously after the dust settles in the morning, once market makers suck all their buyers, all the chasers from above VWAP, and once it comes down below VWAP, like it normally always does, we're gonna step in and enjoy the ride to the rest of the support level in the mid 32 level. All right, next up we got PAR. PAR, as you can see, had another little gap yesterday. Traded sideways most of the day, and had a lot of volume. Our vol was just crazy high, but had a lot of volume with not a lot of action, not a lot of price action. That's a great indication of the downside. So we definitely like this, and we're going to be patient with it, and we're going to see if this thing's going to trade further down for us. Obviously, it had that offering, so we'll see if it's going to trade a little bit further down to the downside, and if so, we'll step in. But we're going to be diligent with this thing, if it's going to give us some more action or not. But we definitely like it a little bit more, at least a point to the downside. So we'll see if it's going to trade down for us, and if it does, then we'll step in and take it down. TCDA has been on watch for quite a while. Obviously, you can see it's putting in lower highs and lower lows. So, we definitely like this continuation. Aftermarket last night, had some action to the downside. So it's definitely weakening and retracing, giving some profits back, taking some of that gap that it had, that strong run up it had a couple weeks ago. Kind of tracing a little bit. So we like this thing to the downside a couple points and see if we can step in and enjoy the ride. Anything below VWAP, we'll enjoy it. Last up, CXO. CXO, as you can see, it's coming in that tight wedge. It's right in the middle of the channel right now. We like it to the downside, a couple more points. It's just showing weakness, continued weakness, getting tighter and tighter for us. So we like this thing continuously, and we'll end up still taking this down every time below VWAP. Obviously, it's going to try to trade above VWAP and try to catch some runners, some holders. If not, we'll step in and enjoy it down. So that being said, we're going to keep our watch list nice and tight today, just four stocks on watch. We'll see what's going to gap in the morning, and if anything sets up for us, we'll end up stepping in as well. But these are ones we're sorting, kind of checking out and keeping on our radar right now. As always, stay very, very diligent with your stops and be very, very patient with your setups. Let the setups come to you, as always, guys. So if you like what we're doing here, you want to learn what we're doing, check out our site at thestreettrading.com, and we will sort you out on the 90-day course. All right, guys, have a great day in the markets. We will check you later.